I just found her unconscious on the toilet, passed out, pupils dilated, unresponsive.
She had 2 glasses of wine over here.
There's got to be more than that. I'm grabbing her right now. What's wrong with me? Okay.
I have a history of heart problems.
Yeah.
Okay, the medics are on the way.
Okay.
Can you walk, Whitney?
Yes.
No.
Can you walk with me?
No. Her color's
Let's walk out of the bathroom.
I'm grabbing her right now. What's wrong with me? Okay.
I'm gonna go on the side.
I have a history of heart problems.
No issues. You're okay. Come on.
Wait. You come from Decanted?
You come from Decanted, the bar across?
Yeah, you left your bag there?
Okay. You have a colorful bag, right?
Yes. She's trying to get to Albuquerque.
Let's go outside.
Let's go out here and sit down somewhere, okay?
What do you need? Your backpack?
We have your backpack already.
We have. You left it on the table and turn it on.
I'll make sure you don't fall.
You're okay. You're okay. I know. They're here to help you, okay?
Let's grab a seat over here.
Okay, we're gonna go sit down, okay?
Okay. We're gonna sit down real fast, okay? Alright, here.
This encounter begins under a doctrine that has nothing to do with crime. The Supreme Court recognized in Cady versus Dombrowski that police serve a community caretaking function, separate and distinct from any criminal investigation. Texas adopted that exception in Wright versus State. Under it, an officer may lawfully contact and assist a person who reasonably appears to need help. A report of an unresponsive person in a public space squarely triggers that authority, and the contact remains valid without any reasonable suspicion that a crime has occurred.
Okay, what was your name again? I'm sorry.
Whitney.
Whitney, I'm Officer Smith. Okay, so what do you remember happening?
I don't remember much.
You don't remember much? Okay. You just know that you were at Decanted. You have a little bit to drink?
Yeah.
What did you have to drink? Do you remember?
Some wine.
Just one wine, one glass? How many? What are we talking here?
Like 2.
He's here to help you. It's okay.
2.
2 wines? Okay. Where are you from? Are you from this area, or are you? Where are you from?
Hey, Whitney. I'm gonna leave because I have to go with my family. You're safe now, okay? Okay.
Are you from the area, Whitney?
Yes.
Like.
Okay.
9822.
Are you from the area, Whitney?
I just found her unconscious on the toilet, passed out, pupils dilated, unresponsive. But once I kind of hit her and smacked her,
She had 2 glasses of wine over here.
there's got to be more than that.
I know. Because I have her bag.
Okay.
I looked through it, her backpack. I didn't see like any kind of medication. Well, no, not even that. Just any kind of medications that she may have taken or anything.
Okay. Well, I don't know her. I've got to go. This is my mom. I got to go do.
No, you're fine. No. Thank you guys for calling. Thanks for
She
helping
said
out.
she's trying to get to Albuquerque. Her name's Whitney, and she's 32.
Shit.
So, can I leave her safely?
Yeah, you guys.
Is
Yeah,
that
you guys.
okay?
Yeah, you're good. She's gonna be staying with us.
Yeah, you got that ID.
Hello. Hi. Well, so I got your backpack from the bar earlier. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Just grab that ID for me.
Still want EMS coming in.
No.
Baker 2. Can you cancel EMS and send me a transport up a level? That's 25.
We'll get you your backpack here in a second.
Baker 2, copy.
Baker 2, can you also reopen up that unattended item that I was just on? It's going to be her backpack.
You can't find it? No, you can't find it? Okay, Whitney. You traveling alone? Is Albuquerque home? Okay. What brought you to Texas? Are you on a layover?
Yes.
Okay. What time are you supposed to fly out?
Why
Okay, because you're pretty intoxicated right now, right?
Yeah.
You'd agree with that, okay?
Yes.
And you're in public, you're by yourself, you're passed out in the bathroom, okay? And like we got called on you to check you out, okay? People worry about you, so I don't think that you could safely operate on your own accord right now, okay? That makes sense?
You take any medication at all?
No. Okay. So what's gonna happen is just stand up for me. Stand up.
Stand up. Can you stand up?
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna take your jacket off of you. Ooh. All right, we're gonna take your jacket off. Thank you.
All the way up.
All right, so you're just gonna be under arrest for public intoxication, okay?
You're just gonna sober up at the jail, okay? And that's it. All right. It's equal to like getting a speeding ticket. The only thing is, you're coming with us to sober up. All right. I'm gonna get all your stuff. I got your bag in the office, so I'm gonna take that out too. You got it.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, you just gotta go sober up, okay?
What's in your jacket, right? That's it?
Yes.
All right, Whitney.
All right, let's go.
Now I go left.
The legal turning point is Texas Penal Code Section 49.02. Public intoxication has 3 elements: a public place, intoxication, and a degree of intoxication that may endanger the person or another. The word may is decisive. Texas courts treat the endangerment element as satisfied by potential danger alone. The state does not have to prove actual harm. A person too impaired to stand or to safeguard themselves in a busy airport meets that threshold easily. The arrest is warrantless, and that is lawful. Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 14.01, authorizes an arrest for any offense committed in the officer's presence. The Supreme Court closed the constitutional question in Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, a Texas case holding that a warrantless arrest for a fine-only misdemeanor does not, by itself, violate the Fourth Amendment. Public intoxication is a Class C misdemeanor, the lowest tier of offense, yet the arrest authority remains the same.
Book bag in the area for me is going to be Richard
When you're sober enough, they'll release you, and then you can have your flight rebooked and you can fly out. Right now, you just gotta go sleep it off a little bit. A minimum of 4 hours, okay?
MCR to 49 and 44. That employee went back upstairs to the customs area, going higher and towards the processing area.
Just sit down right here, okay? Fine. There you go.
Alright, we're gonna go to the front of this car real quick.
Okay.
You don't have anything on you, right?
No.
Okay.
Negative. He did not badge photograph.
You're gonna face this car right here and just separate your feet, okay? Separate your feet. Okay. And this officer's gonna pat you down, okay? Alright, we're gonna go to the back seat, okay?
The search before transport needs no separate justification. Once a custodial arrest is lawful, the search of the arrestee follows automatically. The Supreme Court held in United States versus Robinson that a lawful custodial arrest is itself full authority to search the person. Chimel versus California defines the permissible scope of that search: the arrestee and the area within immediate reach. The pat-down here falls cleanly inside that rule. Miranda is the most commonly misunderstood protection. Under Miranda versus Arizona, warnings attach only to custodial interrogation. Care-oriented questions asked during a welfare contact are not interrogation, and an officer's own observations of intoxication establish the offense independently. No incriminating statement was needed, so no Fifth Amendment problem arises. The closest legal and tactical question is the disposition itself. Protective custody for intoxication is a legitimate tool, but it is not a substitute for medical clearance. When a subject was reportedly unresponsive, showed dilated pupils, and stated a cardiac history, the reasonable course is to confirm a medical evaluation before a jail cell is chosen over a hospital. Failing to document that clearance creates medical risk and civil liability exposure under Section 1983.
phone. Download it. You need help or you got it? Are you alright?
No, I'm good.
Come on. You gotta step out, okay? Put this leg over here. There you go. Then the next one. Alright, now I'm gonna help you, okay? You got it? Huh? Okay. There we go. Now step out. There you go. There you go. Alright. Alright, come on, let's walk. Okay, stop right here. We're gonna face the door, alright? Go ahead, spread your feet for me. Face the door. There you go. Spread your feet. A little bit more. You coming out? I'm gonna do it. You coming out now? Okay. And do it again with the back of my hand, okay?
On the grading, the officer earns a B+. The arrest is legally supported, the demeanor is calm and humane, and the search is proper. The grade stops short of an A because the medical clearance question is left unresolved on camera. The subject also earns a B+. She was incapacitated, yet remained cooperative, honest, and non-resistant throughout the encounter, doing everything within her limited capacity to keep it safe. The department earns a B. The response was prompt and protective, but a clearer medical disposition protocol would reduce risk. The lesson from this case is concise. Lawful authority and good intentions are not enough when medical red flags are present. An arrest can be constitutionally valid and still be the wrong disposition if a possible emergency goes unexamined. Document the medical clearance, and the protective purpose of the custody is fully served. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.